Welcome everyone to our watch list. We have PRTY and BBBY squeezing from yesterday and even in pre-market today. And we have XELA getting near our breakout zone, and we got other two stocks on our watch list, BIOR and BWEN. So let's start our pre-market update with PRTY. We got this box to hold in the big picture between the 31 and 36. This is the bottom price. Now in pre-market is over the 47 cent, around the 37%. Yesterday we did 117%. And today in pre-market is around the 62 cent. So what's the game plan? Are we going to have a continuation for the price action? I would be extremely careful because now getting near this rejection area around the 71.89. The game plan is as follows. The market open for PRTY near the 71, we might see a rejection and going back to retest this area around the 51 and the 47 support. If we have this reaction, we need to hold above this current support and getting reversal around this area, then retest the 71 and continue toward those profit taking, the 88 and the $1 once again. Watch out, the $1 is psychological level and turning point for PRTY to go higher. Otherwise, we're gonna have a rejection and the price continuation to go down. This time we need to hold the 71 as a support. And forgetting about this box. This box, we have to hold it if we open below this level of support or this level of resistance, the 47, because in the pre-market is pretty volatile. That's why we're gonna do a short analysis for PRTY before the market open, because we might have a breakout for this resistance before the market open, and we might see the price go really below this level of support, the 47, and this will change everything for the technical. That's why we said we have to do a short analysis just before 30 minutes or 1 hour before the market open. Next up on our list is BBBY. The price yesterday hold above our support that we talked about in our video on YouTube, which is the $1.86. And see what happened. We doing higher lows, and just in the last 1 minute, the price broke from this mini resistance around the $2.05. And now in the pre-market is pumping around 21%, the $2.51. The $2.51, yes, you guessed it, is above our resistance, the $2.24. So what's the game plan? If we still holding above this current breakout zone, which is now is our support. Let me just turn it to red. This is now is our support. And the first profit taken is the $2.73. And the pre-market is here. So in the middle between the support and the resistance. So I don't like to buy in the middle. If the price went down to fill this gap around the $2.30, $2.24, this will be a good entry. If we held above the 24, we're gonna have a reversal, then retest the $2.70. This will be a really good entry if we have like pull back when the market open, because we're gonna have a trigger for profit taking, of course. If the price continue to go higher from the $2.50 or even we open around the $2.70, we might see the price continuation until the $2.90. Then we have the pullback for BBY, then continuation higher. So in the big picture, as long as we hold the $2.24, we're going to have a price continuation for BBY and squeeze toward the $4. Imagine the $4.11 will be a squeeze area, and of course profit taking. Squeeze area is mean the price will continue to go higher and reverse from this huge bearish momentum that we had after the bad news from that we got about the bankruptcy. So the $4.11 is the breakout zone. So I would suggest to take profit because there is high potential we're gonna have a huge selling pressure once again, because a lot of people will break even and a lot of people got cut buying this dip, and that's why we're gonna have the price corrected around the $4.11 and then going back down. As we said, the $2.24 should be the bottom to continue to go higher. Even if we got rejected around the $4, the $2.24 should be the confirmation that we stop doing lower lows and start to reverse again. Next up, we got XELA. So XELA getting really hot now with the other stocks is moving. We need to confirm, is this the bottom or we might have a fake out. The only thing to find out is holding the 0.078 as a bottom, and of course breaking the 1067. So the 1067 would be the breakout zone for XELA for today to go toward the 1345, then the 17. We put it in orange because it's the second profit taken, as well the breakout zone and entering in bullish trend. We break this level of resistance. Next up on our list, this volatile stock. Yesterday we did almost 200%. We closed the market around the $5.40, and now it's jumping again near the $7.45. BIOR pre-market is around $7.16, getting near the $7.45 profit taken. When the market open, we might see this reaction going toward the $7.45. Then we're gonna have a correction for this stock to go lower a bit around the $6.30. Then continue toward the second profit taken and squeeze around the $9.50. And $5.40 or $5.49 should be our bottom for today and tomorrow to confirm this reaction. Next up, we got BWEN. The stock have low volatility in the last few days. Now the volatility is picking up, because if we go here, it's the most gainer in today, 66% around the $3.77. I will be extremely careful with this one because it's pretty volatile. And the pre-market is around the $3.77. $3.77 exactly around our breakout zone, the $3.76. So already we pumped 66%. We might have a resistance here and the price correcting and going toward $1.73 is our support to confirm that the stock is have a bullish momentum to go toward the $4.70 and of course toward the $5.69. As we said, we're gonna do a short analysis for PRTY, BBBY, and the other stock have potential to squeeze if we have a change in the chart. Because if we don't have a change in the chart, it means we don't have to do a short analysis for those stocks. So just stay tuned for this short analysis for those stocks on my watch list before the market open. See you in the next update.